Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Arianne and I love all things DIY and craft. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated every time I post a video. Because it is spring, I am going to show you how to create this right there, this Anthropology inspired cushion cover. So if you want to see how to create this cushion, just carry on watching. For this DIY, you're going to need about 4 different shades or colours of yarn. I went for a monochromatic look because this is what the Anthropology version looked like, but you can do whatever you want. So I went for reds and pinks and oranges, and I think it looks really nice, but just make sure whatever shades or colours you choose that they complement each other. So you're going to need to wrap the yarn around your hand about 40 times to get a good size and thickness for your tassel. Once you're happy with the thickness, just take it off your hand and cut off a piece of yarn and tie this around the top about 1 centimetre down, and this creates the little ball at the top of your tassel. So just wrap this around it, tie it tight, and just adjust it so that the ball on the top is cute and all the yarn is at the same sort of length, and then just wrap this around again and tie it in a knot to secure it tightly. To complete the tassel, you just need to open the tassel hole. I don't really know how to explain it, but you'll see in a second. So you just open that up, and at the bottom where the yarn circles around in the loop, you're just going to cut it with your scissors, and this will create the tassel. Just make sure that when you do cut it that you get through all the loops. Sometimes they can be missing or hidden inside, so just play around with it, open it up, and you may find some other strands that have not been cut fully and they still have a loop like here. So just cut those and lay it flat in this flower position just so you can see the shape. Just repeat this process until you've got enough tassels. I needed 12 for the size of my cushion, but you may need less or more depending on the size of yours. So just make as many as you need and make sure you have an even amount of colours in the 4 different shades. So for mine, I had 3 of each and there was 4 colours. Once you have all your tassels, you just need to trim the bottoms so that the end of the tassels are pretty much even, so when they are out in their flower position, they look uniform and really, really nice and cute. Once they are all trimmed, then just take your tassel and tip it upside down and smooth it out into this flower shape, and then just place them on your cushions so that you can get an idea of how you want to place them and what colours you want to put where, and try not to have any of the same colours next to each other and try and keep it separated. So just play around until you are happy with where everything is and you like the way it looks. Once you're happy with the layout, just get your hot glue gun and put a generous dollop of hot glue on the center of your tassel and push as firmly into the cushion. I found that using a hot glue gun was the quickest way. You can sew it on if you want, but I use hot glue and it's still perfect and sticks beautifully, and just putting it in the center did the trick. So just continue this and place all of your flowers / tassels onto the cushion, and that is it. You are done.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
So there you go. That is how easy it is to recreate this Anthropology inspired DIY cushion. It's perfect to update your room for spring, and it's bright and colourful and doesn't cost that much to create. So let me know down below if you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and if you recreate them, make sure to share them with me on Instagram and tag me because I'd love to see your versions. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will be with you very, very soon with more DIYs. Bye guys!